Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. I'm going to show you how to build your own antenna that you can watch all the channels in the world globally.
What?
So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So first we're going to do a local setup and then we're going to do a global setup. So to watch all channels with a homemade digital antenna, you can utilize various DIY methods that leverage common materials. You can do that with the homemade digital antenna methods like the coaxial or coaxial cable antenna, right? This is a simple method that involves using a piece of coaxial cable to create a dipole antenna. This method is economical and can effectively receive HD TV and UHF channels. Here are the steps. Cut the coaxial cable to specific lengths. Strip the outer insulation to expose the inner wire and shield. Solder the wires to a male antenna socket connector. Connect the antenna to your TV, ensuring it is placed strategically for better reception, okay?
Oh my God! Wow!
This method is praised for its ability to receive many channels with minimal distortion and is it's environmentally friendly option as it uses recycled materials, because we want to be recycled, we want to be educated, okay guys? The next we have is cardboard and aluminum foil antenna. This is another popular DIY antenna that can be made using cardboard and aluminum foil. This design is known for its effectiveness and modern appearance. Some of the materials needed is a cardboard, obviously, right? Cardboard, aluminum foil. Obviously, the next one, aluminum foil. Glue, coaxial cable, right? So you still need a little bit of that previous step one, right? Coaxial cable. You have the UHF/VHF matching transformer. That's optional, right? So here are the steps. Cut the cardboard into the desired shape. Cover the cardboard with aluminum foil to enhance signal reception. Connect the coaxial cable to the transformer and the TV. If you like this video so far and you like the information, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this information, hit that subscribe button and the like button. So you're going to want to position the antenna high and facing the broadcast direction for optimal results. People have reported receiving more channels with this DIY antenna than with commercial models, ISP models, right? You have the magnet antenna booster. That's another one. Using magnets can also enhance signal reception. This method involves creating an antenna booster that can be easily assembled. So you're going to want to cut a coaxial cable and remove its outer cover. Use magnets to amplify the signal by connecting them to the central wire of the coaxial cable. Ensure the setup is connected to your TV for channel scanning. This method is simple and can yield impressive results in channel reception.
How do you do that?
Oh, magic.
Here are some general tips to setting up your antenna. You're going to want to place the antenna as high as possible, right? Preferably near a window and facing the direction of the nearest broadcast tower. After installation, perform a channel scan on your TV to detect available channels. Consider using a built-in amplifier if you experience poor reception, but test it, right? Test without it first to avoid overloading your tuner. Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
So these homemade antennas methods can help you access a variety of channels without the need for expensive commercial antennas or cable subscriptions. Now, when it comes to portable satellite systems to watch everything around the world, this is the global. Now we're entering the global sphere, right? There are several portable satellite systems available that allow you to access content and stay connected around the world. Here's an overview of them. Now you have satellite TV systems. For watching TV content globally, KVH offers their Track Vision series of satellite TV antennas. You have the Track Vision TV6, right, which is a 60 centimeter antenna for extended offshore coverage. You have the Track Vision TV5, which is a 45 centimeter antenna for smaller vessels. You have the Track Vision TV3, which is a compact 37 centimeter antenna for near shore use. You have the Track Vision TV10, a 1 meter antenna for worldwide Q-band HD reception. So these systems allow you to enjoy hundreds of digital HD TV, movie, and music channels via regional satellite services around the globe while on boats or yachts. Now, In regards to portable satellite internet, for internet connectivity, Ground Control offers several portable satellite internet solutions. You have the BGAN devices, which provide global Wi-Fi hotspots and phone service. You have the case-based Wi-Fi hotspots. That's the weather-resistant options for use on land, sea, and air. You have mobile satellite internet, some, designed for use while in motion, others for stationary use. Now, in regards to handheld satellite connectors, they provide truly, a global coverage using the Iridium network. There are satellite communicators those are for staying connected via voice and messaging. You have the Zoleo satellite communicator that extends smartphone messaging coverage globally using the Iridium network. You have the Iridium Go, right, which allows global voice calling, text messaging, and GPS through your smart devices. These devices pair with smartphone apps to provide messaging and other features beyond cellular coverage. You also have satellite phones. Bet you didn't know we had that, huh? Bet you didn't know the world had that. Bet you didn't know the world had that, satellite phones. So for voice communication anywhere, here are some of the top options. You have the Inmarsat iSat Phone 2. You have the Iridium Extreme 9575. You have the Thur Aya, the X5 Touch. You have the Global Star GSP 1700. So these phones offer global coverage, long battery life, and features like SOS buttons and GPS. When choosing a portable satellite system, consider factors like global coverage needs, type of content or connectivity required, and budget. Satellite TV systems are best for internet, while communicators and phones focus more on staying in touch in remote areas. So what are which portable satellite system offers the best global coverage? I'm glad you asked that question. So the portable satellite system that offers the best global coverage is the Iridium network, okay? The Iridium network provides the most comprehensive global coverage among satellite communication systems. It uses 66 low-orbit satellites to cover 100% of the globe. This extensive network enables crystal clear communication in remote areas like swamps, ridgelines, and other isolated locations. Iridium offers truly global coverage, making it ideal for adventures, venturing to the poles or the most remote corners of the earth. Now, there are some key advantages that this gives you, right? Again, there's complete global coverage, including polar regions, right? And the reliable connectivity even in extreme remote areas. That's where, like, what's that sound? I'm in a remote area. Courage the Cowley dog. And there's clear voice communication and data services. So there are, the Iridium devices, again, is the Iridium Go that creates a satellite-powered Wi-Fi hotspot for multiple devices. And I said it before, I'm going to say it again, the Iridium Extreme 9575, which is a rugged satellite phone with global voice, SMS, and GPS capabilities. And so, while Iridium offers the best global coverage, it's worth noting that other networks like Inmarsat, Global Star also provide those same coverage, right? Inmarsat covers 90% of the Earth using 4 satellites orbiting the equator, but signal fades during, it fades near the poles. Global Star, right? It's a newer network that's still, it's still expanding coverage. It's currently strong in North America and parts of Europe. So when choosing a portable satellite system, consider your specific travel destinations and communication needs to ensure you select the most appropriate option for your requirements. However, this is a cybersecurity show as well. Here are some things to look for, right? And, hackers, they're able to hack into portable satellite, things. And they do that with software vulnerabilities, right? Hackers often target outdated or unpatched software in satellite systems. Many satellites lack basic security controls and run on older operating systems without modern defenses. This makes them more vulnerable to exploitation compared to typical consumer devices. So make sure that your firmware is up to date, okay? There's communication interception. So by using relatively inexpensive equipment, little as $300 worth of home TV gear, hackers can potentially intercept unencrypted satellite communications, which allows them to eavesdrop on sensitive transmissions. So if you're using this for something else, be aware that your transmissions can be intercepted. There's ground station access, right? Gaining unauthorized access to satellite ground stations is another attack sector. With around $10,000, a hacker could set up their own ground station to communicate with satellites. So Some of the hacking methods that are done is, you have the exploiting memory corruption. Researchers have found memory corruption vulnerabilities in satellite systems that lack typical protections found in modern operating systems. These flaws could allow attackers to execute malicious code. There's intercepting telecommands, right? By getting close enough to a target, satellite hackers may be able to intercept and manipulate telecommands sent from ground control. You have denial of service attacks. Hackers can attempt to overwhelm satellite systems with traffic to disrupt services, as seen on attacks against Starlink in Ukraine. Okay, so also data theft, right? Make sure that they can also steal some of your personal information, your social securities, all that. So if you like this video, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this information, if you learned something new, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate you. Stay safe and see you in the next video.